amazing health conscious friend. Welcome to another educative video. Having a healthy breakfast is one thing that sets your day up for a great start and can also affect many things, including your hormonal health and weight management. Join me as we make Bambara Nut pudding, or Okpa as it is popularly called in eastern Nigeria. But this time around, it will be made differently. We will be exploring making it like the Nigerian moi moi. Yeah, trust me to help you create and recreate healthy meals. Before we get into the process, let's learn a little about this amazing legume called Bambara nut. Some health benefits of Bambara nut include the following. It is high in antioxidants and amino acids, therefore good for preventing cancers. It is a low glycemic index food, so it is great for diabetics, heart health, and PCOS sufferers. That's polycystic ovarian syndrome sufferers. Okay, it is a great source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Hence, it supports good bone health. It also boosts your immune system. Bambara nut is a high thermogenic food, hence it digests slowly and the body engages more energy to digest it. Bambara nut enjoys a great nutritional profile which include protein, calcium, moderate carbohydrates, and others. It can be purchased in the market and stores both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. The beauty of Bambara nut is that they are always available year-round. Okay, so let's quickly get into making Okpa Moi Moi or Bambara nut as you may prefer. So you will be needing the following. Bambara nut flour 300 grams, that's about 2 1/3 cups. Lukewarm water 3.5 cups. You can adjust as you desire by the time you make it. Vegetable oil of choice, preferably a very healthy one. 100 ml or half cup. Salt, yes, you can use sea salt or Himalayan salt, and you'll be needing 1.5 teaspoonful for this quantity we are making. Crayfish 3 tablespoonful or more as desired. Fish powder 1 tablespoonful. This is optional, and you may also use fresh fish bait. Then you need curry powder, ginger, it could be fresh or the ginger powder, tomatoes, and pepper. Half cup or more is okay. Onion chopped, and then you need eggs, 2 to 3 boiled and sliced eggs, or you simply stir the raw one into the pudding. So we start by measuring out the flour into your bowl or blender. I use a blender to make mixing easy. You can use a whisk or spatula. Add water, turn on the blender for a few minutes, add your oil, add all ingredients. Blend, pour out the mixture into a bowl. Lastly, add your tomato puree. Then I actually added a secret ingredient to the mix. I don't know if you noticed. A powdered ingredient that is good for the eyes, hormones, and weight loss. Can you guess? Right? So let's find out in the comment box. At this point, place your pot on heat with some water in it to have it ready for cooking the Okpa Moi Moi. I use the pressure pot, but you can use any pot of choice. I noticed the pressure pot helps to retain heat. Note that I didn't use the pressure settings, so I just placed the cover loosely, so I didn't pressure cook the pudding, okay? After cleaning your cans or leaves, it is time to scoop the mixture into them and place them right into your pot containing already boiling water, okay? Keep the quantity as moderate as possible so it cooks fast enough. Remember to add your sliced or chopped eggs after some time when the pudding must have cooked halfway, that is about 10 minutes after start time. And you can choose to leave it out, adding it to the pudding directly. For me, I actually added the eggs when the pudding was done. After 20 to 30 minutes, check with a fork or toothpick to be sure it is done. It is done when it doesn't have any raw taste when you taste it. Serve warm to make the meal more interesting for you and your family. You may add some sauteed veggies if you like. You can have this any time of the day, and this is the best part with Bambara pudding. Whether you need it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it is very, very versatile and adaptable. For breakfast, pairing it with your favorite whole grain cereal such as oats or pap is a great thing to try. It really goes a long way. We have ours in the morning mostly with pap, a Nigerian whole grain corn cereal. And when I feel like taking it in the afternoon or for dinner, I may just eat little of it, little of the pudding without having to use any cereal so that I don't get to, indulge too much. So my entire family members, they love this recipe a lot and I love it too. Bambara nut is very filling because it is a slow release food, hence it is very good for weight loss. Remember to keep portion controlling. Check. Did you know that you can cook up a batch of this Bambara nut pudding or Bambara nut moi moi in a batch and store up in your freezer for use for some days or weeks? Yes, you can. You will notice how much ease and variety it brings to your family meals and wellness. So let me know, will you be trying this special Okpa Moi Moi? If you're going to be trying it or you have already done so before, put in the comment section. Let's see how yours went. If you watched till this part, join the family. Join, subscribe, like, and share this video with your dear friends. They will thank you for it. Thank you very much for watching. Please eat healthy and stay happy always. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.